The VF, which is the last of the Commodores produced in Australia, changed slightly from the VE in that it incorporated an alloy lightweight lower control arm. SuperPro has now introduced replacement alloy lower control arm and steel lower control arm to suit the VF Commodore. The VF lower control arm alloy strap bar incorporates lifetime warranted SuperPro bushings, heavy duty upgraded ball joint and high quality aluminium replacement material. These control arms come as a complete kit. A pair of strap bars to install ready to fit, or a pair of lower control arms which replace the original steel items with the SuperPro long life bush and upgraded ball joint ready to fit.